Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween brownie s'mores cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need some kind of brownie mix. I got this family-sized dark chocolate brownie mix because I thought that would be fun for Halloween. And then you need all the ingredients on the back to make the brownies. So mine's 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, and a 1/4 cup of water. Then I just have some fun Halloween decorations, and I'm going to kind of make these like s'mores. So I have my Peeps cats that I found at Ollie's. I think they're so adorable. And then I have some deluxe grahams, the Keebler Deluxe Grahams I'm going to crush up to make for the topping. And then I have some orange sanding sugar for Halloween, and then some marshmallows that I'm going to toast on top. And then you need a springform pan. So I am going to go ahead and spray this generously with cooking spray and preheat my oven to 350 per the back of my brownie box. All right, I made my brownie mix according to the back of my packet. I did about 12 of my cookies and just beat them with a rolling pin until they became like little crumbs. I didn't pulse them in a NutriBullet because I didn't want them to be too fine of crumbs. So next I'm going to add this to my brownie mix. All right, my brownie mix is ready to go into the oven. According to my package, that's 45 to 50 minutes at 350. All right, my brownies just came out of the oven, so now I am just going to put some marshmallow on top and just put that back into the oven and broil it just for maybe a minute or two. You don't just watch it. You don't want it to get burnt. Okay, that looks good to me. As you can see, I did not go too far close to the edges because I don't want that to stick to my springform pan. All right, my marshmallows toasted and I immediately removed it from the oven and then sprinkled on the rest of my cookie crumbs and some sprinkles. And I'm going to just stick that back under broil for about a minute. All right, my brownies are out of the oven again. And the second time that I put them in with all the topping on top, I did broil that on high for 1 minute just because I wanted everything just to come together. So now I'm going to let it sit in here probably just a couple minutes, if that, and I'm going to take a butter knife around the edge and remove the spring from the springform pan. All right, I added my peeps just along the edges here. I just kind of pressed them into my hot marshmallows to make sure they would stay. I didn't have enough to really make a tight squeeze all the way around, but I think they look so cute, and I'm so happy with the way this little dessert turned out. So I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks when he gets home. All right, I just cut into a piece for Taste Tester, and it looks amazing, so we'll see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, for Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Happy Halloween.